Click on the page. At the top, go to the color wheel. Now you can change this background to whatever color you desire. You can also come over to the color wheel. You can drag and drop whatever color you want. If you have the particular hex code that you know of, you can also type it in here or copy and paste it there. You can also add gradients. So you can blend in a mixture of different gradient colors, and you can keep adding different gradient colors to this mix. And once you're done, just click out of it, and now I have my background color set. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.